Hello, cookbook friend. Welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie. I am so excited to look through this cookbook. It's Dumplings Equal Love. This is by Liz Crain. I remember seeing this cookbook in late 2020, I believe. I think it actually came out on my anniversary. So I love it. Like, the cover is beautiful. I love the bright or yellow. I like the recipe on the front. I really want to make it. And being somebody that's gluten free, it's really hard to, or most of the time, I never get to eat dumplings. If I do, I regret it the next day. But the thing that really drew me to this is that there are gluten free homemade wraps you can do. It was just so, like, my mind exploded. So I'm really excited to take a look. These are dumplings from all around the world. So yeah, this is going to be really cool, educational too. So let's look at it. Holy moly, this is beautiful. I was not expecting this. This is the first time I've actually opened this book. So this is my actual reaction. Wow, just big, bold design. I just really love it. Okay, chapter 1, getting started. Then we have chapter 2 is Dumplings 101, and then chapter 3 is Dumpling Doughs. This is where we'll find that gluten-free thing that I'm looking at, or wanting, but I'm sure there's going to be a whole bunch of different doughs in here. There are, next chapter, chapter 4 is Asian origin dumplings. Then next is Dumplings Beyond Asia, and then, of course, you have to have the perfect dipping sauce. I didn't even think of that, and now I'm like, of course. So let's check it out. So far, the photography looks gorgeous. I'm very impressed. So, test cooking. This is something that I actually should do more of, but I really think for dumplings, this might actually be really important because if you've never made them before, how do you know if they're done? And everybody's stuff, like cooking tools, they all cook differently, even though it might suggest 30 minutes. Yours might take 20, or it might even take 45. So cool cooking test. There's different things they suggest you have, like dumpling makers, Lazy Susans, cheesecloth, lots of stuff. So here's some ingredients that she suggests for probably dipping sauces and the actual innards of the dumpling. So Dumplings 101, how to actually form them. So, perfect. So she has, like, here's the pleated crescent, step-by-step photos. Ooh, we have steaming the dumpling. I need to get one of these. There is pan frying the dumplings. So cool. And here are the dumpling doughs. This is what I'm most excited about. So she says you can do it by hand or you can do it by machine as far as mixing them. Here's how to actually prepare them or roll them out. And then we have next level doughs. So I promise I'll get to actual photos soon, but there's different additions you can put inside or put into the actual dough to give it a different flavor or a different look, like beet powder. You can do matcha or sesame seeds, all kinds of cool stuff. So let's look at the actual dumplings. So this is a pretty typical gingery cabbage and mushroom. This is vegan. So here we have, at the very top here, it says what it actually is. So this is a vegan, where the origins of this dumpling come from. So China. And that includes, like, the shape, how to cook it. So this one's a pan frying. The skin. So this suggests an all-purpose eggless dough. The garnishes, finely grated carrots or thinly cut scallions, and then the sauces, plus the page numbers for the sauces that you could potentially use for this dumpling. So it's super cool. Here's the, how she came about this recipe. Here are the actual ingredients, and then we have continued on the next page your directions on how to get this filling and to prepare it. Very cool. So next we have salmon sesame. Ooh, orange chicken. Yum. Shumai. This is like my favorite, and I cannot wait to make something with gluten-free stuff. Ooh, Look at this. This is really cool. Like, I don't know how you do it. You'd have to have very dexterous hands for this book, that's for sure. This is from, that one's from Japan. We have more China, so this is beef curry. Oh, my mouth is watering already. Here's beaten turmeric rice, Malaysia. Ooh. Here's dumpling soups. There's so many things you can do with dumplings. So here's how you would make the water and the broth for each one. Different ingredients you can use for the inside of the dumplings. This is awesome. And it's vegan friendly too. Here's mapo tofu. Oh, wow. And I'm wondering if you could putting that in a dumpling. That's unreal. That's amazing. That would be super tasty. Here's a history of dumplings. That's really cool. Yeah, this is such a cool little cookbook full of awesome recipes. So this is Dumplings Beyond Asia. This one's going to be interesting. So there's a morel sherry cream. So this is from Northwest US. Us! Hooray! We have a nettle and caramelized onion. So again, Northwest US. Let's see what else we've got going on here. Cincinnati chili dumpling. Can you imagine putting chili inside of a dumpling? It's probably pretty good. Or putting dumplings in your chili. You can fill it with meat and then just have the beans for your chili. Oh, there's so many options. I'm getting ideas. I'm so excited. Ooh, there's even dessert. This is a banana Foster dumpling. This is very cool. Ooh, goat cheese, arrabbiata, or I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this is Italian. This sounds very tasty. Oh, man. Filling anything with cheese and then you putting it in like this beautiful sauce. Wow, that's so good. Potato comper. This is from Norway. I've not heard of this before, but it sounds good. Yum. What else do we have? Okay, let's go to the dipping sauces because that's very important. So we've got obviously chili oil, but let's see if we've got photos of some of these. Whoa. Okay, so this talks about sambal, but they have like a quail egg stuffed dumpling on the side here. That's really cute. That would make for a really awesome surprise. It's like a little Russian nesting doll. What else do we have? Soy lime, gyoza sauce. Here we go. Here's a photo of all the really awesome sauces that you can use for your dumplings. You could even make your own sauces, which is very cool. Yeah, this is a really awesome cookbook. It's not super big, but I think it gives you the opportunity to kind of explore making your own dumplings if you really wanted to. And it's just really fun. It's approachable. It's kind of your all-around dumpling cookbook. So definitely check this out. This is by Liz Crain. If you guys are wanting more cookbook content, come join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We also have a podcast and a website, so come join us on all of those platforms. Make sure to join the conversation too. We love to hear from you guys. We love cookbook suggestions. We want to know how we're doing, so make sure to rate and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.